Now I am going to show you an example to background eraser tool action in Photoshop. Go to the Tools palette and pick the background eraser tool from there. When you pick the tool, the mouse cursor will change to a circle with crosshair in the center. Now depending on the areas to be removed, you can change the size of the eraser. For that, press and key on the keyboard respectively. Next, press Shift plus, for softer edges, and for harder edges, press Shift plus. We suggest going for harder edges for better results. Drag the eraser tool over the sky, and removing it is the simplest thing you will do, but if you see, there are trees around and accidentally you will remove the trees as well because they are in the same layer. Now to deal with that, you have to be careful with the target symbol and keep it on the blue area that is sky in order to prevent removing the trees. To work properly with background eraser tool, here are few settings which will do wonders and make the process perfect to deliver great results. Navigate to Options bar and choose